In today's video, we'll be talking about how to make money from PLR ebooks on Amazon. You can sell PLR books wherever you are in just a few clicks. So stay tuned as I tell you about PLR ebooks and how to make money with PLR ebooks on Amazon. You don't have to worry about other skills needed since you can do this pretty easily. But first, I've got some good news for you. I will be giving away $1,000 in cash prizes and PayPal money this month to 10 subscribers, so $100 each as our way of saying thank you. To enter for the draw, here's the 3 easy steps to win the money. First, subscribe to this channel and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new videos. Second, like all of our videos by simply pressing the like button and number. Finally, and the most important step is that I want you to count how many times I say the word money in the video, and I want you to comment down the number below while leaving a comment about why you like our videos. Make sure to do all 3 of these steps in all of our future videos for the entire month, and once again, 10 lucky winners will be announced every single month via our community post. Now, what exactly is a PLR ebook? PLR stands for Private Label Rights, and PLR books are those created by someone who then licenses the book to other people for them to also resell. This means you'll be buying a book created by the original author, wherein you have a licensing agreement that states you don't owe them royalties after profiting from the PLR ebook. All you have to do is pay them a one-time rate, and the PLR ebook is basically yours to resell. So the next question in your mind might be probably where to get these PLR ebooks in the first place. You can choose from a lot of websites, and there's one that gives you free PLR, which is www.freeplrdownloads.com. This website has a variety of PLR ebooks, including Google Analytics, content creation mistakes, maximum profits for free reports, and a whole lot more. Just scroll down the website and you'll find just about any topic you'd like to sell. These books are free, but if you want something more and have the money to kickstart your PLR business for the long run, you might want to check out buyqualityplr.com. This website offers PLRs which you can buy for a certain cost. While you can certainly buy PLRs, it's generally better to start first with free PLR ebooks and see how it goes. If it becomes successful and you can find profits already, you can go ahead and buy your PLRs, which you can then sell. Now that you know how to get PLR ebooks, let's proceed on how to sell these on Amazon. Of course, you need to have your own Amazon account and have this registered as a seller by using your email. It's again very simple, and you don't need anything else. The next thing to do is to choose the PLR you want from the best sellers list. Just simply type in ebooks in the search box and you'll quickly see the best-selling ebooks right now in the market. As you can see, these books are usually fiction and they do well no matter the season. You can also see some non-fiction ones, including those about politics and self-help. So, with that in mind, just choose which genre you like best. Next, go to the free PLR site and choose from the different niches listed. For example, I want to focus on health. So, I'll click on that and a bunch of free PLR ebooks about health would appear. As you can see, there are 13 pages of PLR ebooks related to the health niche. These are books about aromatherapy, organic skincare products, sleeping hacks, and even remedies for eczema. Everything is provided for you, which makes the whole process efficient and fast. Take your time to browse some of these books and choose the best PLR ebook for you to sell. Make sure to pick one that you know will give you good reviews after selling. A single bad review could affect your sales and profit. Never pick a random book because this might cost you in the long run. Even if it's for free, make sure to check for quality. Now you can click on your chosen book. Here you can see the book's description, the number of pages, and the file size. You can also see the license, source file, and details for the cover. In some books, the cover is already included, while some don't. The same goes for the sales page and squeeze page. Scroll down below where you can see the download button. Just click that and the PLR book will now start downloading. You can now proceed to make the ebook cover. I'm sure you're already familiar with Canva, an editing site that allows you to edit like a graphic design pro. Log in to www.canva.com and click on a custom size. Make sure to convert the pixels to inches so it's easier to understand. The size would depend on the book size, and it's usually 9 by 12 for ebooks. Go ahead and click the Create New Design button. You can now start creating your own book cover with Canva's editing features. If you don't want to edit, you can simply go with a cover that came with a book, but I suggest you take the time to make your own PLR ebook cover. When designing, make sure that it would fit the PLR book. Just experiment and get creative on Canva. So you're done with a cover. It doesn't end with just a cover. You have to make an advertisement banner as well. This is for ads that would attract people to buy the book. Using Canva again, just select from the different poster templates and start designing for your advertisements. So here's a template you can choose and edit according to the ebook. Now that you're done with both the cover and the banner, let's proceed to uploading the ebook to your Amazon seller account, which is about $40 per month. If you haven't signed up yet, go ahead and do so. After, log in to the account and upload your ebook. You're now good to go to selling the ebook and making money from it. After listing, you can monitor your product and its sales. Just wait for a few people to buy and wait for their book reviews. You're almost there. The next thing to do would be to promote your PLR book to get even more sales and money. Simply posting your book on Amazon isn't enough. One thing you could do is by using Pinterest to promote the book, where you can make a few mood boards. You can then include the ebook to the mood board. If you want to go the extra mile, you may also upgrade your Pinterest account to a business account. A general account will also work just fine. You can add pins and promote the book all over Pinterest. You can even do this on other platforms as well, like Facebook and Instagram. The next step would be to bundle up for sales. Generally, Amazon gives you the option to provide discounts when a customer buys a lot of books. So here you can see ebook bundles wherein the price is discounted to half of the original price of all the books combined. Generally, the discounts range from 25% to even 70%. This strategy lets you sell more books for less without any hassle for more listings. Customers will surely buy from you again and in bulk, even if they only intend to buy one book initially. After, you can start to translate the PLR ebook to another language. This would double the audience, allowing you to price the book higher. Also, if the book is doing well in sales and is increasing in popularity, you can easily increase the price. The next thing you can do to up your sales is to repurpose the PLR. Using the same PLR ebook, you can modify this with a new title, a new label, or new marketing. You can even use the PLR to make different types of books. So that's how you can make money out of these free PLR ebooks online. With just a few modifications and some marketing, your chosen PLR could be the next popular book on Amazon.